my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. So today I'm here with a wig review for you guys. It's a wig that I've never heard of before. Well, what the hair texture. We've all heard of this wig before. So this video is in partnership with Atina Hair. They did send me this unit to try out and share with you guys. So we all know right now very popular are the headband wigs, and this is what this is. But the reason why I said it's a hair like I've never heard before, because they advertise this as a 2-in-1 wig. So the hair comes to you in this straight texture, as you see right now, but it's actually also a curly wig. So when you wet this hair, it will turn into curls, but when you first get your wig, it will come in this straight style like how you see now. So usually, you guys know I dye my units, but I haven't dyed this one yet because I wanted to show you guys how the wig come before I wet it or anything like this. So it does come in a natural brown color, what they all come in. You know I love my black hair, I do. So eventually I am going to dye this hair, but I wanted to show you guys how the hair comes before I even do anything to it. So it does have 3 clips in the front, and it has a clip in the back, and it also has the drawstrings that you can tighten on your head, and of course the headband part as well. So this is 20 inches, I believe, is what I selected. This looks a little bit shorter than 20 inches to me, but we'll go for it. In your box, you will also receive, of course, some wig caps. They are very good at sending that out. They also sent an elastic band, I guess, if you still want to tighten your wig up to your preference. And they also sent these really cute, very summery spring vibe headbands as well for you to dress up your wig with. So first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair, take it down out of this style, and I'm going to put my hair in a low bun and put on this wig cap, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so my hair is like straight right now. I have my hair straightened, and I have it in this low bun. I cannot talk today. This does not want to stay because my hair is like too silky, so it just keeps sliding back. So we're just gonna apply this without the wig cap. See how it works. Hopefully this stays. It should. But that thing, y'all should have saw me struggling with that, okay? It did not, my hair is way too silky right now. So, put my hair up in the low little bun. I got it to work. I was struggling for a minute because my hair is so silky right now because my hair is straightened. And this little thing, bobber, it's not trying to stay. It wasn't. Why am I? Okay. All right. So, let's go ahead and put this unit on now. For real this time. For real this time. Because I did it before and that thing was sliding like it was nobody's business. So, okay, now that we actually have this on proper, like, you guys, I'm digging this. This looks like I blow dried my hair. I don't know why I keep wanting to say blow dried my hair. I got lazy. I didn't feel like flat ironing it, and I just put a headband on to call it a day. This is exactly what this looks like. This is definitely black girl friendly with the texture, which automatically gets a thumbs up in my book because I love extension that, you know, can give us our natural look sometimes. We know it ain't ours, but can it look like ours? Like, just a little bit. So yeah, I'm loving this. I am. All right. So definitely gonna throw some long curls in this one day. Definitely want to try all the styles I've been seeing. People have been doing like the half up, half down. Octavia B does it a lot with hers. She's currently rocking like a headband wig. So she does like the half up, half down, and she like wand curls it. And like, yo, why is this legit just such like a smooth transition? I'm here for it. And you can technically like put your part on whatever side you want. You know, okay. Okay. I'm definitely feeling this. But one thing is for sure, I definitely want to test out their curly texture. So I know I'm gonna have to wait for it to dry before I like straighten it back. But more than likely, I am probably gonna dye the hair today after this video, to be honest, so I can just go ahead, make it do what it do. But I'm really curious to see the curly. So obviously it says you will just wet the hair and it will become curly, and whenever you want it straight again, you would just straighten your hair like you would any other hair and it will go back straight. It says it doesn't have an amount of times that you can, you know, make it go curly or make it go straight. It will never lose its curl no matter how many times you straighten it. Looks nice. I'm liking the curls that come with this. It's taking a while. It's definitely going to be a lot easier if you just drench the whole wig versus what I'm doing. But this is a really pretty curl pattern. Definitely really is. Okay guys, so I'm back with the hair, and this is the hair in its curly state. So I don't have any product on it. I just ran it under some warm water. So this is the curl of it. It's very pretty too. It's very pretty loose curls, not too much, but this is vacay hair. Like if summer is popping this year, this is vacation hair. Like literally perfect. You can get in the water with it, come out, curl's gonna be nice. If you want to switch it back up at night to slay, you know, your night look and you want some nice, smooth, straight hair with some curls in it, like this hair literally gives you both. But I'm digging this. If I'm protective style this summer, this is my go-to protective style. I have the best of both worlds, and I've always wanted a unit like this, to be honest. And again, I'm loving the headband part because it's just no leave out, less stress on your hair, like yes. So all of the info for this hair will be down below, but now you guys have seen it goes both ways. And then yeah, whenever you want to straighten it, blow dry, flat iron, call it a day. So I'm gonna actually let this air dry for today because I'm really curious to see how it naturally dries. I feel like it's gonna be so beautiful. I feel like it's gonna have like medium volume to it, but like the nice curls, and I'm excited to see what that looks like. So I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna let it dry. But yeah, this is clutch. I like the 2-in-1. I like the 2-in-1 because let's be real, a lot of curly hair sometimes does not straighten well, or once you do straighten it and you try to go back curly, it doesn't really work. So if this is what it says it is, then I'm with it. And I do like the length. They said it's 20 inches. I feel like this is really like 18 inches. Like, I don't know, but I'm not mad at the length. It's a very realistic length, so I'm not mad at it at all. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you guys what the hair looked like once it was fully, it's not even fully, it's like 98% dry. The roots aren't that dry, but this is exactly what I thought it would look like once it dried. Like it has a medium-sized volume. It's not too much, but the curls are still very, like, you can see them. Like, I love this. I love this. I do. And this has absolutely no product in it. None. So, yep. So now you've seen the hair in both its state. In both its state, it looks really good. Like, so good. I had to come back. I'm like doing laundry right now, but I had to come back. Let's put your hair in the background. But I had to come back to like show you guys what the hair looked like once it dried. So yeah. Sis is my new best friend. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna stop rambling right now because I'm just, you know, I'm a little bit shook. I'm a little bit shook. I like this. I wasn't expecting it. But yeah, and honestly, I don't see any issues with straightening this hair again because it's like very loose curls. So I don't see any issues with that. And then obviously you can see when it's straightened, it has a really natural, like relaxed feel, like if you had relaxed hair or you just straightened your natural hair. So this is very like, this is a must have. In your wig collection, this exact unit is a must have. Like, what are you talking about? Like, it goes both ways. You can take it anywhere with you and it'll do what you want it. I'm happy. I am happy. Anyways, all of the links to everything will be down in the description box if you want to check this unit out. If I have any coupon codes, all of that will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Thank you so much for watching another video. If you are new here, hello. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, love. I'm getting high.